Lena Hutahayan from the Indonesian Mental Health Associations. I'm part of the advocacy and research team in IMHA. I'm also a lawyer, a licensed lawyer from there. Before I work and join the IMHA, I work as a lawyer, and I'm very closely work with the disability group from the deaf community. In IMHA, I have a lot of work with advocacy, things like sexual anti-sexual violence, and then right now I work for the inclusive social protections, especially about the concessions. Also, I work with very closely with some people from the group of human rights that talk about abolishing the death penalty, also about the legal reform. And IMHA worked before with the reform of the guardianship law, and right now we just push to make the good Supreme Court regulations about the SOP of the guardianship. Also, before in March or in April, I go to the Geneva, bring the issue about the institutions in Indonesia, the conditions of the institution in Indonesia, to the to the table of the Human Rights Committee, in Geneva, to the CCPR and the ICERS Committee. And there is one big things happen that with the our shadow report, because the committee is just recognize that what is happened, the confinement that happened in institution, there is part of the arbitrary detentions. And also, right now IMHA really serious about the issue, because we not just use the CRPD conventions, because we not see this what happened in with the psychosocial issue in Indonesia is just about the violence of about the disability rights, but we see that about it's the violence of human rights. So that's why right now we really focus on push this issue, being the part of the issue that will be open in all the treaty bodies, like conventions of torture, conventions of human child, conventions of the about the woman, and all the treaty bodies need to discuss about this issue, not just the CRPD things. And also, um, I think one thing that people need to discuss right now is about the conditions of youth in all world, especially in Indonesia, because mental health issue and psychosocial disability issue is not the part of the our discussions. It's because the access of the information, the access of the information of treatment, the understanding about that, the is it okay for you to have some is it okay for you to have disability, is it okay for you to be part of the psychosocial disability. But there is one stigma for the youth in Indonesia, especially because when we just like crying, or we have not to be okay, or we have just like doing some like we just put some words because of we are overwhelming on something like that, people just call us like the strawberry generations, because they think that why the new generation, the youth generation is like have a lot of words just because you have feel tired, or because of you just feel like this is not the good conditions for work, why you need to being angry about that situation, is you are not the strong enough person, you are very different from us, from the older generations, and you just like don't you don't feel blessed about your conditions that you have very easily way. That's not the good conditions, because I think people need to know that everyone have is it okay, is okay to being not okay, because why you can understand people condition in physical when you feel tired and something like that, but when people doesn't have the mental conditions not good, you like this is not you angry, you get stigma. I think there is one thing that people need to understand that it's okay being that kind of situations, and it's okay to be part of the disability is not a shame, so it's okay to being part of the disability. And I think one thing also need to be discussed is about the voice of the youth. You need to ensure our voices in all the policy making, in all the situations that you work for the advocacy. Thank you for the inviting me to also to these discussions, to the plenary issue, to the plenary. But I think TCI also need to ensure that all the youth from the all the Asia Pacific to become here and to just discuss our issue also from the side of youth.